I just want to say my deepest condolence to Joe and all the family. You see me? It really hurt me, you know. It really hurt how everything got on, man. It really bothered me, but I just want to say my condolence. I want to say thanks to everybody who sent out a prayer for me.
Sidem didn't wait 6 years.
They met in they
you know Sidem's from the end, isn't it?
Is she from the end?
2015, Tottenham.
That was General's
Edmonton,
old girl.
sorry.
Oh, Edmonton.
Edmonton, yeah.
I thought you were saying
That's General's old girl.
General from...
Yes, bro.
You're tatted.
I'm not joking, man.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, World Dawg finally came live and give his condolences and talk about everything that happened. Also, Vybz Kartel with a word of advice to the youth. Also, we're going to talk about Sidem before she met Vybz Kartel. Some people came out saying she was going around town with some gang members, and the man come and say in know a oofa girl that those are his words. No about them off my head. But you gotta stay tuned for that. It's gonna be an interesting video. So if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Stay tuned. As you all know, World Dawg, aka Akeem Dunbar, was conned up the other day, and he got shot in allegedly mouth and arm, and he hasn't been on live for a while. So he finally came today and he dropped a video and explained what happened, and also gave his condolences to his cousin slash bodyguard Joe. Check this out.
I don't know which part to start from, but I just want to say my deepest condolence to Joe and all the family. You see me? It really hurt me, you know. It really hurt how everything got on, man. It really bothered me, but I just want to say my condolence. I want to say thanks to everybody who sent out a prayer for me. All the content creator them, everybody who come together and pray for me. I just want to tell you, say like, really appreciate, I mean, I want I just thank everybody who pray for me. I really appreciate every prayer. I really appreciate everything. Thank you so much.
You can hear it in his tone at first that he's not well and he look, sad, obviously. But I saw this on Facebook the other day saying a small update on Swisley and World Dawg. Swisley says he's not coming back to TikTok, but will make an appearance on Halloween. World Dawg and Swisley have unfollowed each other on social media or Instagram. So in the comment section, somebody was like, why are they unfollowing on each other when they big friends the other day at Swisley party? And then this person says, because the guy who pew World Dawg a Swisley friend. I don't know how true this is. I hope that it is not, because they already did that come with the foolishness of chat about a sacrifice and all sort of rubbish, which even if that is true, I don't think Swisley was a part of it. And if World Dawg really think that, Lord God Almighty, we just hope they can work you out, because the internet always try to find a way between them two, their friendship. But best of luck to them. Get well soon, World Dawg, and stay safe. Big up. So I saw this podcast on Mix Up Time, and I said, I wonder what Sidem and Kartel think about this. Is there any truth to it? This man is saying that Sidem never wait on Kartel. She did a sleep around with Batman in North London, and she never wait on Kartel all the 6 years. She did a give away the buff. But I don't know. Listen to them for yourself. Check this out.
Sidem did. She waited for Vybz. Sidem.
What?
Sidem didn't wait 6 years.
They met in they
you know Sidem's from the end, isn't it?
Is she from the end?
2015, Tottenham.
That was General's
Edmonton,
old girl.
sorry.
Oh, Edmonton.
Edmonton, yeah.
I thought you were saying
That's General's old girl.
General from...
Yes, bro.
You're tatted.
I'm not joking, man.
You're tatted. General from Prairie.
Yes.
Sidem.
Yes, bro.
So how am I going to get vibes on the show now that you said that?
Cut it, innit?
Yeah, no, I can't. I ain't going to cut it. But 5-6 raw. Channel was raw.
Yes,
Channel was beat 5-6. Okay, mad. Okay, mad.
This is all say, yes, no, she's from the ends, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. Like
Big up
young,
Sidem.
I remember.
She's watching
young.
this.
Yeah, she's gonna
Big
go
up
mad.
vibes
Sidem.
and Sidem, man. But
Sidem.
the world boss, you get me, man, was gonna
Global,
interview.
innit? Yeah.
But yeah, no.
What?
True, he knows now that General went through Sidem. It's mad, you get what I'm saying?
Well, I don't know. I wasn't there. This is what they brave enough for company internet consists, so they must know. Anyways, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. Vibes Cartel has a message to the young youths. Check this out.
Top of the morning, Gaza Nation. Get a youth. Remember, say your mother, your general, yeah? Get a youth. Remember, say your mother, your general, yeah? And as much as you can, don't shame her. Try to make her proud. See? Love your mother, respect your mother. If your father is around and him have to do him role, you in the honor same way. But remember, have to love and respect your mother. See? Wise up. That's my wish to get to you. So me I say, do the right thing, love God. Just live your life, youth. Know them way there. Have a great day, Gaza Nation.
Big up yourself, Gaza boss. Don't know. Always strive to protect your mother, man and female. That should be your biggest priority aside from your children and God. But yeah, this is Cartel in the studio. I try to set up, prepare for Freedom Street, December 31st. Check this out.
December 31st. And it's the best long like the Balenciaga. Come on.
So Rosalie have a story time about the time when Steph London wanted her to show up at a party and she charged her 300,000. But gonna check this out.
See, she want me to go they might keep something at stadium one sound clash. So when she said she want me to keep one sound clash, part of his life, one sound clash at stadium, she said Steph London out there Jamaica. And they want me to come host it.
We don't want to come out, guys.
She said, how much I charge? She said, how much I charge? I go say $2,000 US. The woman said, can't even tell her get that without plate. Kiss me, baby, with it. I said $2,000 US. Stacey and kiss me, baby, thank you. I go say $2,000 US. She said, that cartel not charge that.
Rose, you have to come down with your price a little bit. Doesn't mean your chest is kind of high, but Lord of God, baby, if it is $1,000, but that's how you go, yeah. We say cartel not charge that. So them say cartel, as you can see, Freedom Street price very, very up there. But anyways, guys, tell me what you think about this in the comment section, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.